Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you what to do if your controller on your PlayStation 5 doesn't sprint or the L3 button just simply doesn't work, and give you some options. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I'm going to go and show you some options on your PlayStation 5 controller as well as on your PlayStation 5 on what to do if your L3 button or the left stick just simply doesn't work when you're trying to sprint in games like Call of Duty or maybe in like Fortnite. So the one thing you should go ahead and do first is just clean off any kind of like debris under your thumbstick. Let's say you just have, some plastic or Cheetos or food or something that just kind of got stuck in there. You can take some rubbing alcohol or maybe some like dish soap and water, and then you can simply clean underneath the thumbstick. So let's say, and this could be getting inside your controller, just causing it to have some problems. So this is looking good, and you can always lift up any kind of gunk on the sides here with a toothpick and just go through like this if anything kind of got caught on the sides. Then you can do some movements with the thumbstick. Just rotate it around 20 times to the right, and then pause and go 20 times to the left, and then click it in about 15 to 20 times. And then what I like to do is I like taking the thumbstick and I'll lift it up and pop it up and then push it back down. And I'll do this about 10 to 15 times. Then if you have some compressed air, so I just bought this simply from Walmart. Otherwise, you could put your mouth up to the thumbstick and just literally blow in this area. And if there's any kind of like debris inside the controller where the sensors are causing an error or a glitch where it simply doesn't register, blowing in here could kind of dislodge that. So you could use your mouth and just blow in the sides here. Otherwise, compressed air is a little bit more sanitary. And then you can take this and you can just blow this in the corners here, just like this, and try to dislodge anything. So this can be very effective. So move the thumbstick to the side just like this and take your mouth. Get a nice blow in there, and don't spit inside your controller. That is going to cause some problems, and you'll have to wipe that off. So in mini games like Call of Duty, what you could do is press options and then go on over to the controller. And then if you scroll down, you have something called automatic sprint, and you can move this over to automatic tactical sprint. Now, what this does is all you have to do is press the left thumbstick forward. You don't have to click it in to go ahead and run. All you have to do is press up on the left thumbstick and you will start sprinting. Now, this will completely bypass clicking in the left thumbstick. So if you are having an issue with that, this will remedy your situation. Now, another thing that you can go ahead and do is press the options button and then go back to the home screen. And then go to settings and select this and go down to accessibilities. And then go on down to controllers and go over to custom button assignments. Change the controller button assignments. This doesn't work with some controllers, but with yours it should. So let's select this and enable the custom button assignments. Now let's choose this right here. And I can choose a button to remap to a different button. So let's say my left thumbstick is broken and I can't click it in whatsoever. So I got the L3 button right here. I can select this and then maybe let's change it to like the X button. I can simply do that as well. So I can start sprinting with the X button as opposed to clicking in the left thumbstick. So that is an option. So you can just mess around with that and see how you want to go ahead and sprint. Now another thing that you can do is back out of here. If you go to switch the left and the right thumbsticks, let's say you can't sprint with the left thumbstick, but you can click in the right thumbstick. You can just swap them around. So you are now aiming with the left thumbstick, and then you're sprinting with the right thumbstick when you click in it. So If you are having problems with your sprinting, these are some situations just on your PlayStation 5 that you can go ahead and try to fix them with, in addition to the fixes on your controller. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.